So good day everyone. For today's video, we're going to disassemble and assemble system unit. So first, remove the side cover. Then next, disconnect connectors. And third, remove power supply unit. It provides stable and regulated power to all the components of the computer, ensuring they receive the correct voltage and current they need to operate reliably. Next, remove the heatsink. The heatsink fan absorbs heat from the component, and the fan helps to remove the heat by increasing airflow, thus preventing overheating and maintain optimal performance and longevity of the electronic device. And remove the RAM. RAM provides fast access times, allowing the CPU to retrieve and store data much more quickly than from other storage devices. Then we're going to remove the expansion card. Expansion card allows users to customize and upgrade their computers according to their specific needs and requirements, adding new features and enhancing performance. And remove the storage drive. Storage drive play a critical role in the functionality and usability of computer system by providing a means for storing, accessing, and managing data effectively. Then next, remove the motherboard. The motherboard serves as the backbone of the computer system, providing the necessary connection, power distribution, data transfer, and system management function to ensure the proper operation of all components within the system. Remove the I/O shield. Nakatanggal na po siya dyan sa part na yan, kaya pinakita ko na lang na natanggal na siya. Siguro po dahil hindi maayos yung pagkakakabit ng last na gumamit. Then remove the processor. Processor is also known as the central processing unit, is often considered as the brain of a computer. And now we're going to assemble the system unit. First, create a space to work. Then now install the central processing unit. Then apply the thermal paste and install the cooling fan. Thermal paste, also known as thermal compound or thermal grease, plays a crucial role in facilitating efficient heat transfer between the CPU and the heatsink. Then install the RAM. And then install the I/O shield. Then install the motherboard. And next, install the additional hard drive. And then install the power supply unit. Then next, install the graphic processing unit. And then install the front panel connectors. And lastly, install the side cover. And then that's it.